Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy a domain from Namecheap, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version of the website that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on namecheap.com, what you will have to do is of course make sure that you've already logged into your account, and then you will see this search bar, and what you will have to do is basically just look for any domain or uh any name for your desired domain. So just go ahead and type that, and then you will click this search button right here and wait for the website to load. And once you're here, what you will have to do is scroll down a little, and then you will see a bunch of results or a list of domain that you could actually choose from. So for example, I would want this domain right here. So what you will have to do is basically just add it to your cart. So simply just click it, and once you click it, you will see it on your cart. So just click view cart, which is on the top right corner of your screen. And then what you will have to do is you will just have to click confirm order so that you will be able to fully purchase it. And then you will just have to wait for it to load. And now what you will have to do is basically just fill this out. So make sure that it's completed, and then you will just have to click continue once you're done, and then you will just basically confirm your order, and then you will enter the payment details and click pay now or whatever the term for you. So yeah, once purchased, you will just have to go to your dashboard. So go back to your Namecheap, and then you will click dashboard, and here you should see your domain list, which is right here. And then once you've already purchased your domain, you should see it under here. So yeah, that's basically just it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.